After a short visit to the doctor's office, see if my current blood thinner is adequate for my needs, or if it's too much, too little, and it's just right. So, in fact, he said possibly the next time they'll do a quick scan of my legs for any more clots, deep thrombosis, or deep vein thrombosis, whatever you want to call it. And it was clear then they're gonna divide my blood thinner medication in half per dose. So that'll be good. I can deal with that. Alright. And it's still a kind of a microphone test. I know what the limits are now for temporary anyways. With a Rode mic set up the way it is, 45 miles an hour is pretty much where it ends up not hearing the voice anymore. So, also this is another test. Instead of using the media mod cage with the mic plugged directly into it, I've got the bare camera mounted, and then the GoPro mic adapter plugged into that, and then the Lav Mic plugged into the GoPro adapter. Just checking all my pockets. And this is with the helmet open, or the visor up, visor down. Because this doesn't help out. I've only got a couple other solutions to try, or a few other, but you know, one of them is wiring up a Sena boom mic, flexible boom mic for a 10R, wiring it for a 3 8.5mm audio jack and the TRS plug, and seeing if that helps out. It's not an omnidirectional mic. It should cut out a lot of side noise, which is what kills audio in a helmet. It's side noise, because all lav mics are omnidirectional. So they pick up every sound. Alright, green light, people. Green monkey light. Green monkey light. Whew, somebody's doing up some fish. Smell some salmon somewhere. Oh, another Becky barbecue somewhere. Or maybe there's a little restaurant somewhere nearby. I smelled some tasty smelling salmon. Come on, green light, monkey green light. It's a warm 82 degrees Fahrenheit, which is, let's see, 25 Celsius, or 26 Celsius, 52 and 29, yeah, around there. Anyways, everything's still moving forward on the recovery process. No setbacks. So hope that keeps up. So I don't need to go 2 steps forward and 1, 2, or a dozen steps back. It's a nice day for a ride. Although for my last Alaskan physiology. 82 degrees is still pretty hot. And this is May 13th. So not even the middle of May yet. So, but it is springtime for sure. This is unfortunate. Anyways, not sure if I'm even recording now. I forgot to talk. Let's see, concentrating on the road and nice weather and the warmth, and trying to ride around, not being a dick. It's difficult. I loved my ZX14R, but boy, that was a bike to get in trouble on. This one you can still get in trouble on, but you got to actually work for it. Not work for it, but you know, you have to really actually want to go there, rather than these ZX14R. You're just not paying attention. You can be cutting around at 80 miles an hour. It feels like 30. It's just like when you're doing 80, you feel like you're doing 80. So it's a little easier to keep it within the limits of good taste. Got my gas lather's on. Get some gas tomorrow. Yeah, one thing about having a low compression bike built for world gas is sure started up easy. I hadn't used it or started it or done anything to it for over 6 months probably. Just sitting in the garage waiting for me to get healed up. And started within about a second of hitting the start button. Went, so yeah, I like that. And I hadn't charged the battery either. So that saved me a lot of time and effort. And it's running good, nice and smooth. Still got to do an oil change. Been cleaning the garage out, trying to get it ready for doing work and stuff in. Because I am going to do my own tire changeover to the novice, but because of my health limitations, I'm going to give it an extra month just for me to heal up. So I was major lung surgery, and there's still areas in my chest where it's not healed up with connecting muscles and tendons back to bone. So I don't want to strain anything, which I've already done twice in my recovery process. I don't want to re-strain things trying to swap the tires over. But I can't quite justify taking it down to cycle gear and paying $80–90 to have a pair of tires changed over and new inner tubes installed. So we'll have to see. In another month, I hope I'm strong enough not to worry about it. I'll just do it myself for the cost of a couple of inner tubes. Oh, not fun. Why are you going around this person here? And we are home. Found my keys. Alright. Flag flying in the breeze. I found my keys. Alright. If you stuck around for this entire thing, and if you could even hear me talking, thank you for doing so, and I'm glad you could hear something. Oh, why is that all kitty wampus? Oh no, I did that. Okay. All right. Ouch. All right, that's good stuff. All right, have a good day out there. Ride if you got them. Ride safe if you also got them. Watch out for butt heads out there. And butt heads and dum-dums. And don't be a dum-dum or a butt head. It's a two-way street. I try to avoid that, but it always happens. We're human. All right. Later.